Welcome to part 5, 6, 7, and 8. I promised myself I'd do this every single day, but trust me to start this challenge during the busiest period of my life. But that just sounds like excuses. I didn't start this challenge to make excuses. I started this challenge to become, the best version of me. So, enough excuses. I'm still doing everything. Don't worry. I'm following all the rules. Training's on point, diet's on point, no sugar, been getting my steps in. Everything's going good. It's just the videos, it's been a bit long because of these bloody exams, but no excuses. Let's get it done. Apologies for 4 parts in one. Hopefully we'll go back to daily uploads tomorrow. But yes, let's do this. Today was actually the first time in ages that I actually woke up on time. So hopefully we can carry this forward for the foreseeable future, and it will just help me better structure my day. I have more time to work essentially, and yeah, it will just be better for me overall. Hopefully by tonight, this sleep schedule is fixed and we can really start grinding. Man, I miss you so much. Part of this challenge isn't just about, improving my eating habits and going to the gym. It's also about, taking care of my image. And part of my image is how my skin is. Now, boys, I want to ask yourself, when was the last time you changed your sheets? You need to be changing that stuff every single week because, you'll notice your skin instantly gets better after changing the sheets because, all the germs that you carry around all day, you're bringing that to your bed. And, if you allow it to build up for months at a time, you can only imagine what kind of bacteria fest that'll be like. So, boys, wash sheets. Today's just one of those days where mentally you don't want to do it. You just don't have the mental strength to get out of your room, push yourself past your comfort zone. And I want to keep this journey as transparent as I can. And I can't lie, today's one of those days. I'm not having the best day, but yeah, I'm not having the best day. My bed is right there. I have two options. I can rot in bed and forget about my problems for the rest of the evening, or I can go to the gym, lift some heavy weight, and use my energy into that rather than just feeling sorry for myself. So I'll meet you in the gym. Let's have a good session.
This is the emergency broadcast system. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Citizens are advised to take the following steps. Stay alert to make new transport or emergency alert notifications. Some of your content is unavailable. Make us all rise, make us all fight. Now they stepping over your shoulder. Make us all hope, make us all fight. Defeat the stop of the man, fully eventually bring it all up.
Okay, this is the day after my leg day. This is my push day. And I've seen a few YouTubers do voiceovers for their workouts sometimes, so I decided to try it out today. Yes, so we're starting off with bench, warming up with 60 kilos. I believe I get this for 4 to 6 reps. Very light, very smooth, love to see it. Showing off a good case of strength for the heavier sets to come. Then we have 80 kilograms. I believe I do that for 2 reps, and that goes up pretty light, I hope. Okay, let's watch the clip together. Down, 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 down. Oh, okay, a bit wobbly. Let's see how the second one goes. Ah, beautiful, very smooth. Then we move on to 100 kilos. I got my friend Rose to spot me, and if you can look at her face right now, she's absolutely terrified. But yeah, she did an amazing job. And then I believe I get this for 2 reps. 1. There we go. Nice. 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Very satisfied with that. Everyone in the comments, just type in W spot rows, and yeah, thank you very much for that. Then we move on to incline dumbbell press. I do 2 sets of that till failure. Standard stuff. Get a great stretch on my pecs. Cannot complain. It always feels really tight afterwards, which is, always a good feeling. Then we move on to tricep extensions. Yes, I know I'm hogging 2 ropes, but I've got to, man. I've got to get those massive triceps. Then we move on to chest flies. I do 2 sets till failure of that. I'm pretty sure I do a drop set on the second one, and that brings my push day to a close. I did do what's it called? Overhead tricep extensions and 100 push-ups after the workout, but I did not end up recording that. My bad. But yeah, enjoy a cheeky posing session.
You, possess you, you beg me to come sex you, undress me, caress me, I just want you to fuck me. My love can't take it no more, I got it on you, on you. I fall in love in the morning.
I was gonna make pasta, but I can't be bothered cooking, so got some leftover KFC, some fried eggs, and yeah.